Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how to make calls directly from your Vumber app. So first step is to log into the app from your phone. You will see 4 tabs down the bottom, so we are going to hit the dial pad to make our call. You will see in the top right hand corner the Vumber number that you will be calling from. So if you would like to change this, tap that number and select the desired Vumber you would like to call your recipient from. Once you have completed this step, you are ready to make your call. As you would on a normal phone, simply input the 10-digit US number and then hit the phone icon to call. You also have the option to call someone directly from your contacts. Just hit the Contacts tab down the bottom, and you can then search for that person by their name or number. If you are experiencing any issues, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.